In this video, we'll go through the sensor provisioning process. Note that this step can also be done on a smartphone. To successfully provision each sensor, you must have completed all the steps in our previous videos. On the left column, under the Admin section, you'll find a Provisioning tab. The first thing you need to do is to select the right Wi-Fi connection. In the drop-down menu, you should find all your previously created Wi-Fi connections. Then select the designated sensor location. Again, in the drop-down menu, you'll find all the previously created locations. Lastly, you need to assign the right label to the sensor that you're currently provisioning. In the last video, you have placed the different sensors on the floor plan. In this step, you're actually linking the physical sensor to the ones you have virtually placed. Make sure to match them correctly. Now a QR code is generated. Take your sensor and connect it to the power. The LED indicator will light red. This means that the sensor is booting up. After a few seconds, it will start flashing green slowly. This means that the sensor is looking for the QR code. Point the sensor at the QR code at approximately 10 to 20 centimeters distance. Once it picks up the QR code, the LED will turn solid green for a few seconds. You can now put the sensor down for the rest of the provisioning process. Consequently, it will start flashing green quickly. This means that the sensor is now connected and downloading and installing the latest firmware. Note that this step could require more time, depending on the speed of your internet connection. The sensor will now reboot after installing the new firmware. When this process is finished, the sensor will flash green with a heartbeat rhythm. At this point, the sensor is provisioned and ready to be placed on its designated wall mount. Repeat these steps for all sensors you want to provision.